Understanding fishing hook in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the phrase, fishing hook. We'll explore its meaning, use in sentences, and the nuances that make English such a rich language. So, let's reel in some knowledge and get started. A fishing hook is a tool used by anglers to catch fish. It's a curved piece of metal with a sharp point on one end and a loop or eye on the other end to attach the fishing line. But in English, this term can catch more than just fish. It also hooks our attention in idioms and expressions. When we use fishing hook in daily conversation, it could be literal or metaphorical. For instance, literal, be careful handling that fishing hook. It's very sharp. Metaphorical, his intriguing story was the fishing hook that captured our interest. The fishing hook symbolizes capturing or grabbing attention in a persuasive manner, much like a fisherman skillfully uses a hook to catch fish. It's often used in marketing to describe a catchy slogan or an eye-catching image. English is full of idiomatic expressions where a fishing hook plays a central role, such as hook, line, and sinker, to be completely fooled or deceived. Get off the hook, to avoid responsibility or escape a difficult situation. And that's the end of our linguistic fishing trip. Remember, whether it's about the actual tool or the way we grab someone's interest, the phrase, fishing hook, has many uses in English. We hope this video has been insightful and that you're now hooked on learning more about English phrases. Happy learning, and see you next time!